Consecration is the rite of entrance onto the roster. I see it kind of as a confirmation of the calling that has already been planted in my heart.
I invite you, sisters, to join me in laying on of hands. If you can't reach Sister Stacie, you can put a hand on the shoulder in front of you.
To be able to have the whole gathered Deaconess assembly come to my consecration, for me, is a joy. It's a call, it's a deep call, and for me, a big part of that call is a call to this community of women, and a call to be supported and to support and love and pray for one another, and to be able to share my consecration date with the whole community is just a gift.